how you can remove a person from any photo using Snapseed. But before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is open Snapseed. After you open Snapseed, just tap anywhere and open a photo. Now open a photo, and after you open a photo, what you'll want to do is tap on tools right there in the middle, and after you tap on tools, just scroll down till you find double exposure. Now after you've tapped on double exposure, you will see that I have exported a photo on top of my photo that's already there. Now as you can see, I have two photos right here of the same kind, and these are the same photo. Now what you want to do is just set this photo so that the two persons are not connecting. Now depending on the photo, make sure that you make the correct placement. Now after you do that, what you'll want to do is just leave it like that and tap on the opacity button right down there. After you do that, turn it all the way to the right. After you do that, tap on done. Now what you'll want to do is tap on this button right here on the top. Now after you do that, you'll just want to tap on view edits. Now after you tap on view edits, just tap on double exposure right there and just tap on this brush image. After you tap on brush image, you can just brush over this person right here. Now make sure that you brush correctly and completely. And after you do that, just tap on done and the person will get removed. Now you can do this more precisely and more accurately by using the brush. So that is how you can remove a person from any photo using Snapseed, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.